Yes. Everybody, you don't know. So, yo, this is Imara. You're watching Imara Nation podcast, and I am here with a special guest right now, ladies and gentlemen. I am here with.
From I see my face and see my big belly off, I'm waist, you know it's slick Whiteline.
Yes.
Some big and fat like pig, but me and one comedian when I wear wig.
Yeah. Yo. One thing I first did at the dog said, the CMD with me, the dog said, yo, oh, no wig. Everybody wear wig get a beat, now me get a one beating too. Yo, see the wig with the wig thing, bro.
Don't take it personal.
No, we're not taking it personal, not at all. Especially, bro, we are bridging, brother. But this is the wig thing. When it comes to the wig thing, and it, what me I think, we think of like woman wig, like long wig and woman type of wig. Yeah. So even all the man style wig them, no wig at all. No wig.
No, I never said that.
But me never wear a blood clot woman wig yet, brother.
You use the woman emoji wig them though. Erica.
You're right about that.
Come now.
Lava. You see me? But you're right about that still. But yeah, man. Yeah, so right now, ladies and gentlemen, this is a part of the segment, the current event segment. You see me? This right here, so we talk about what go on in the dance hall. You see me? And I just want, I say Slick do couple promos for the G. I just want to talk about something real quick. Yo, hold on, see it, hold on. Hey, big tune. I want to them, Slick. Slick, are you hear bridging this, Here and on, I only for beating Fantan, I get left, right. You understand? When I go center car, girls alone get center beating.
You're smart.
You see me? Hey, right now, I'm going to have a doctor up. Everything. Every road that come out of my mouth, that's a doctor it up, brother. But yeah, man, me say, well, me not here say, we see what I go on still. Fantan, I get a beating. And that is solely because of him livity.
Is he getting a beating, though?
Well, you don't know. What the people have things to say? Yo, the Ras. Can you know, say Rasta supposed to have a level of consciousness.
Yeah.
And the people them say Fantan, I do some secular music, like where I can't tell if I do the music, yeah.
Yes,
sure. I gully bop. No. That the people them say.
Okay.
Can't tell if I do the music, yeah. Gully bop and Mojah one. You don't know the dancehall artists them sing slackness. Yeah. But when them see the Ras with the turban pan him head and say, yeah. Am I pum that? Yeah. Where you have to say, Slick?
Yo, right now, I can't judge Fantan, you see me?
Yeah.
I feel like Fantan just a doing thing and, you see me? Food out there and Fantan a go for your food here, sir.
Yeah.
You see me?
But you made, we got a river, Sunday.
Yeah.
You made a great point, what day, and when you made that point, I stop look on Fantan, nobody look on him. Because me that look on Fantan the same way, or everybody look on him. Because I'm surprised if Aaron come and say, oh my pum that lava. You see me? Would surprise. But the point you made, I would like for you to share it right now. What did you say to me to have me thinking differently upon the Fantan situation? If you remember.
I hope at this, but basically what I say, Sizzla Kalonji sing a bag of conscious song, and Sizzla also run out and say pump up her.
That's true.
And that was a big bumper clad song.
That's true.
You understand?
That is true.
So sometimes a man just feel like him not go idle today, you see me?
No. We look on it a real thing though. What? Cause when him say to me, Andy did it too.
Yeah.
When him say to me, I go to man and woman for me that I say, yo, you're right. Capleton, the whole of them.
Yeah.
The whole of them. All of them.
What the next one? Anthony B.
What's your name again? Munga. All of the man them.
Egyptian.
Yeah. All of the man them.
Yeah.
So why is it now when Fantan say, yeah. Yeah.
Yes. Who just say elephant?
No.
You see you.
I want to hear you.
You like problem.
Yo, brother, that's cool.
Elephant. Me not involved in this. Yeah.
The views and opinions of Niggas Nation podcast is not necessarily the views of Slick Whiteline. So yeah.
Yeah.
I think so too. I'm not even gonna cap. Fantan, I rate Fantan. Yeah.
How you must say it? I like how that song.
Yeah.
When you hear pump up or pum pum, them song they have a vibe.
Yeah, it have a vibe.
Bro, I'm telling you, like, most of them songs you're doing, when you first hear them, it now catch you like that, you know. No, watch is not remember good, you know. When Sister did sing all these control songs and then turn around and say, pump. But no, if you were at the age at the time, you'd have said, this does sound good. But after a while, you keep on playing until you catch a vibe.
No, I'm not gonna lie to you.
This song does sound good, bro.
All right,
Yeah, I don't think so too.
Just like Mojah, maybe I tell you what they Nation Bass.
Yeah.
When having tune about humans and Ray.
Yeah.
That slap. I know the dog of Mara splashing. The dog have song what me I tell you right now, the dog what you remember how tune go. But the dog has start more and bust out Mara and me. I just what the dog has said.
Yeah.
So we hear the cartel them, the Mara is it me? Mara fly and is it fly down on them.
Yeah.
And on that.
Can I ask a question?
Yeah, what?
How is this different? How is this different from Vibes Cartel, who usually sing Skin Out and Tech Body, all these things, and then turn on and say, Selassie, I love me, Rastafari. You remember them song there?
Yeah, for sure.
How they sing them conscious. So how is it different?
No, we're not arguing.
No.
We are arguing.
Yeah. Oh, it sound.
Okay, the sound of it. You don't feel like it sound good.
Because
okay, I understand.
Because
Fantan, them a BTS, I can't help you.
no beating man. Hey, it's just a astute observation. You see me? The thing is now, the point that you make, you know,
Yeah.
the point that you make, nobody can argue with that. And if you argue with that, you're full of shit. Basically, you're a crab.
Yeah.
You're full of shit because the countless amount of tune we hear Sizzla sing. We didn't even forget Capleton.
Yeah.
We didn't even forget Turbulence. We didn't even forget Munga. We didn't even forget Egyptian. We didn't even forget none of them. We just use Sizzla because Sizzla is one of the most respected culture artists out there.
Yeah.
And when Sizzla say pump up or pump pump, that did sound good. But I think what beat Fantan is the composition of the song.
Yeah.
Come sit down on my cock, baby. That sound good, brother.
What him say are the tone or what? Him never
What
catch
him
a key?
say?
What?
What him say?
Okay, what him say?
Yeah, what him say?
Fantan, I can't help you.
Is it me? Nah, let me beat it up and slap it, baby. Is it me? Something, isn't me, brother? Something. But yeah, no.
That sound too soft.
Yeah, I might. As I said yesterday, the dog was still maintain him, you know, Rasta composure. Yeah.
If you have a good road there,
Yeah, just go there out there and done.
Don't try more, you see me? You try to play it safe. Remember when I do that saying,
But how safe is that when he must have still
don't
pan cock?
begging you, please, brother. Big one thing, as much as you're not a rapist, you are them 2 days, you just get all the vibes. And you
Facts.
Blood clot,
Yeah.
Anything make it dead.
Facts.
Yeah, rapist.
No.
Hold on. That's a YouTube. Go keep that word there with that podcast.
yeah.
Go keep that word there with that. Yeah. That's an R word. Yeah. And the injection thing too, you know, because we don't want them suppress the thing, you see me? But yeah, man. Yeah, so Fantan, you know what I mean, I'm not beating, brother. It's just constructive criticism. As somebody will listen to, yeah, all right, listen. We're not kids anymore. The beat sound good. The beat them can sound good. But if you're not saying nothing in the song, me not listening to it. I prefer download the instrumental. I'm a grown man now. When time we younger, we used to listen to some big full song. Kite bad. Beat bad. No, I'm not listening to no full song. If you have a full song, I'm not listening to it, but I'll skip it and just download the instrumental.
I'm glad you said that, because you see, all in that time, I feel like if the place would open up where a Jamaica and the part them I keep, Fantan song would I get every rotation in the dance hall.
You feel so?
Yeah, I feel so. I feel like it I get every
I
rotation.
feel like I would never get a wine from a girl when a Fantan Mojah song they play. I feel like a girl would never bubble off my blood not cocky.
I feel like I can't probably go for and listen to one of them. It can't just one day.
Yo, Jaja.
You see me?
That's literally
Like big man thing, brother. Like the song,
Nah, sir.
the one before him did, the one the first one he put out.
Fire King, right?
Yeah.
Fire King.
That one that sound better.
That is bad. Yeah,
Isn't
yeah.
it?
Fire King.
That one that sound better. Lord, hey, I'm not like still a Fantan Mojah. You're the first Rasta man to see Batija jiggling a music video, so yet my general salute.
Fantan Mojah make you say Batija?
No. I say my first Rasta. When I say with Batija rippling a music video.
Okay.
Salute Fantan Mojah. You see me? Like the dog want to pull me over tomorrow. The brother, nobody has something there, brother. You see me? Niggas. Hey, the pull over video. But say, yo, the car in the street. Pull over. Yo, Fantan. Fantan, big up yourself, my general. You see me? Big up yourself.
Big up the Fantan.
Yeah, big up Fantan. You see me? But, you know, we're going to just leave it at more lyrics, my general. More lyrics. Because you don't already can sing. We just want more lyrics in the tune. And I hate that.
Man say more lyrics. Look for war on the place.
More lyrics.
Look for war on the place. Where lyrics there?
What do you mean by any idiot with MC Fantan?
A dirt.
Yo, they can't get my content, brother.
Oh, yeah.
Yo, you have cut out that part.
Hey.
Believe this.
Ain't no shit. Wasn't that shit on me already? On stage?
I don't know. Anyway, I dropped the video before this.
Yeah. But yeah, man. So Fantan, big up yourself. If you don't know the thing, we have another hot topic in the news. We're going with it. Yo, every time. Eh?
For your interview with somebody there, the original man, you play on your song them and prep them.
The original man.
Yeah, the original person.
Yeah. I didn't want. How the YouTube music thing go? Come on.
Just make sure say it not surpass 30 seconds. Oh yeah, make sure say it don't surpass.
So let's give the
30 seconds.
Let's give the instrument.
Intro alone. Let's drop the intro as the intro goes somewhere.
The instrument.
Drop it.
Yes, sir. The instrumental.
Instrument, yeah.
Hey. Hey, not say a word. Don't say, hey, you see that person I introduced right now? Are the funniest thing right now. It kind of suspect still, I'm not gonna lie to you, know. As a grown man, hearing another grown man talk about another grown man, I'm not gonna lie to you. Watch the video and I was like, oh, this kind of look away. But anyway, see you don't know the thing, go. Yeah. You don't know who that, though? You don't know who that? I'm going one more time. You don't know who that? E-ooh. Hey, watch a video yesterday. And slick video make me see it. When Slick running in, I say, yo, Wesley, what go on? Yo, I see one video. Yo, the video, as a grown man watching this video, I cringe. Listen to it, because I might be tripping, you see me? But me know me not trip.
People, the reason why I come back to my place, Wesley ill-treat me.
What?
In call it...
What? What do you mean when I ill-treated, brother? What that? Oh, I'm not hearing no for that, my lad. And then when I say next man, I ill-treat him. How that work?
Yeah.
Bro, say continue.
Me wait for the other part.
Say continue.
Me wait for the other part.
Alright, go continue.
In collect me all of my money and give me no money. Make me wear all him daughter slippers. Him have my Instagram account and I want my money. I want him to come on road. I'm a talk big. I'm not do nothing for me. And him not look about my my TRN and my passport. I'm have me over the lock up all long.
Yo! Hey! One thing, I'm telling you this, look at the camera. You have camera. No man can ever say them lock me up. Ever. Lava!
You're not referring to your own house as round there.
Yeah.
So that means say a round of female.
Alright, we can get serious for the topic now?
Yes.
Yeah.
Let's get serious on the topic.
Yeah.
By praying that, I can see straight, say that youth is slow.
Of course.
He's slow.
Of course.
We're
not dissing. No,
It's just the obvious truth. He's a little slow. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah. And me can see say I get pressed too. Cause we can hear the background, somebody in the background. You see me attack and I try press him for say this and say that.
Yeah.
You see what I'm saying? Wesley now it's a complicated thing. Cause I'm not there, so Yo, me I try to justify it, but it's hard, cause I'm not there. I'm not there, so
Listen, this is. Let me say this. You see, the next person, because I'm not gonna lie to you, them people that, and this is no disrespect, the type of people them like Michael Jackson, Jamaican Michael Jackson, they are always going to get taken advantage of. You wanna know why? Because I am yet to see a family member stand beside them and represent them, knowing that them people are slow.
But it's always a stranger pick them up.
It's always a stranger. But don't they have family member, brother? Brother, if that was my little brother, if that was my little brother, and my little brother slow and I have the spotlight, me and my brother manager.
But but this is the thing. When them pick him up, when them get the spotlight or before the spotlight.
It don't matter.
It matter because...
You want to know why it don't matter?
Bro.
Because if you did want my little brother for put in some work in the entertainment industry, and you don't want somebody who is in family represent him, we are gonna take him up and push him around then.
All right, niggas, I'm over that, but on the other hand now, fam, you have some ungrateful motherfuckers out there too.
That is true.
Yeah.
That is very true. That is very true.
So you have some people, them tell you like me, I tell you say, me hungry for it.
Yeah.
You see me I walk and look it, me I foot it. You understand? And when me reach a one place of one part now, it's like me I say, fuck off, niggas, me don't want to see you.
Yeah,
you see me?
And that's a fuckery. And
then,
if something go wrong now, and you drop back you know, you see me? You say, yo, that person never do enough for me, or they should.
Right.
So that can be the flip side to the coin.
Yeah.
You see me?
That is true.
That can be the flip side. So we never did it.
Right. That's why I say me never did it. So me nah say 40, 39 good. You see me? But the whole video look shaky. You understand? We see father he make film talk.
Yeah.
He try to defend himself.
Yeah.
Me don't know if it help him or help him sink. You see me? But the whole situation look shaky and that is that.
Yeah, it's sad, you see me? Them type of people, them always get taken advantage of. The ones them who did not get taken advantage of, big up on yourself. Even the ones who are getting taken advantage of, big up on yourself. Same way. It's just
Bro.
a sad. It's just a sad. Yeah.
You know, which of them I rate out of all of them? The one named Makerel.
Yeah.
I feel like Makerel, she should hold up herself.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah.
I agree.
Yeah.
Yeah.
At one point they would beat her wicked,
Yeah, they were.
One point them praise her, then on the next side now, they start beat her, but it's like she withstand the beating.
Yeah.
And come up back
True.
and say, I'm no longer regular Makerel, I'm hot and spicy.
Yeah.
What's she now?
Hot and spicy, I'm not sure she like the green week, brother. I'm not sure Grace, the hot and spicy Makerel and the green
I
week.
agree. You don't get it.
Oh my God.
You don't get it.
I get it, brother. I'm not a Makerel, brother.
Upgrade.
Upgrade, you get the green week.
Makerel come a road first time and say she deal with comedy. Mama, I know me tell a joke yet, mama.
When she said she did comedy, when she said that?
She go up on stage and say she deal with a comedian, brother.
She said that?
What you mean? Big on stage. Makerel, mama, I be a SEG media come a road with mama.
Post a fair content that, bro.
Just tell us that I deal with. I know you ain't about comedy, mama. Just tell us
But when she talk about that, people have a comedy that in it, bro.
If laughing at you.
No, that's a good point. There's somebody that laugh half of you. That's not a comedy, You're a clown.
You're a clown now.
You're a comedian now.
You know what I'm saying?
You can make people laugh and you have the ability to get the laugh out of somebody.
Okay.
But if when somebody see you, you're just like, you're a clown.
Yeah.
This is the thing. This is a thing in Makerel, you know.
Yeah.
For somebody who come from the situation where she come from, she's in a position right now. I'm glad she's in a position. She's not getting taken advantage of. She's not being abused, mentally, physically, sexually. You're in a good place now, Makerel. You have money where you can take care of yourself and your youth now. We want that.
Yeah.
But let's keep it real. Let's keep it real. I don't know joke. When you're there in a party, you say, you can take with people, man. Nobody's laughing with you. They were laughing at you because they must say you can't take them man, mama. No way, shape, or form. You understand? But Makerel big of herself. I like see when people come from nothing to something.
I want to beg to differ.
Which is normal, yeah.
Because when you know the thing,
yeah.
You could have the biggest education ladies, like Miss Kitty. Remember Makerel don't tell you that. Yo, big up Makerel, see?
Big up Makerel.
And don't ever say, she can't take on the body, man. Because you know, you have some man out there where you dog shit, you know.
I have someone, bro, the man is just a screw up.
You see me?
I'm in a style, she
yeah.
the only kind of man she can get them in the screw
Yeah.
Yeah.
But the reality of it, that is like our biggest pet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
With them head the screw on. Because any man with them head screw on, have them own in the yard, them are, they say they live a good life.
Which is right.
Makerel not go fuck up that. Tell me, I tell you that.
Which is
You
right.
see the man with them head the screw on, brother? And anything is possible?
Uh-huh.
Anything can go on.
Which is right.
Niggas.
When
Either put one by Makerel.
Pana NEC night, when I chop up Makerel, yes.
So yeah, that what?
Yo, I'm telling you, it's one thing in me, you know. One thing in me, you know.
See,
One thing in me, you know.
This
Once little NEC in my system, I mean, like my eye, and Ali Berry, me I look pan the moment, you see me. Just if you don't have a good moon, just shut up.
Yeah.
Because I can see and I'm a visual with me eye lock.
Makerel could have given a killer more now.
No, you see, you know. Yeah, but what I put on for Makerel still, you see me? I chop up Makerel.
See that? Makerel. DM me.
Bro! Makerel.
Makerel.
Throw up Makerel here and catch her back. You see me? Makerel, you don't know single.
Watch your face, yeah? Watch your face in the trial. Watch
I would have want to smell of Makerel.
You want to get throw up to high, brother.
Yo! Crazy. Yo, ladies and gentlemen, you don't know, this has been the current event segment of the podcast. This is the Imara Nation podcast with my special guest, Slick Whiteline. You don't know the thing. Yo, make sure to say, stay tuned, hit the notification bell.
Yeah.
Subscribe, all of them.
Subscribe me.
Subscribe from the human tube. You understand?
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Imara and this is Slick Whiteline. Or the intro, go give it the bad intro.
From them see my face and see my big belly up, I'm waist, you know it's Slick Whiteline.
Kaboom! Stay tuned.